Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Jeff Horowitz of Dentists in the Know, and with me is my amigo, Dr. Chad Duplantis, and we're here at the GC KOL Summit. We're really excited hearing about all the great innovation. One of the things you know about GC is their devotion to research and development and just putting the best quality products out there really quickly. One of my favorites is CeraSmart. We do a ton of onlay restorations in my office. We do a lot of bite rehabilitation, and there is no kinder material for that application. Doing a lot of milling in my office. I know you're doing milling. It's one of my favorite products. What's your favorite product, Jeff?
You know, GC has a great history. In fact, we're celebrating 100 years, as Jeff just said, of excellence with GC. But when I first heard of GC, I think many of us think of their glass ionomer line of products because they've just been so relevant for so long. But I'm a huge fan of cementation, and I think that they've hit a home run recently with GC, Fujicem Evolve, and the new GSem 1. Those two cements in any practice solve the majority of the needs that you have in your cementation and bonding protocols. So kudos to GC on a great line of products, a great history of innovation, and just being a great company and taking good care of all of us docs for so long.
So you cement your restorations?
Sometimes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
I didn't know we had to do that.
Yeah.
But no, honestly, this is such a great company. And again, everybody thinks of the whole glass ionomer line, but really what they're doing in resin technology is amazing. So I still fall back on Color. Genuine Sculpt is as beautiful. It's very, very workable. I still prefer Color, which is the chameleon effect of their resins and the way that these things polish up. They've been a staple in my practice for a long time. So you got to check out some of their products, and we just want to say thanks to GC for hosting such an incredible event.
And I think one thing that we failed to mention that goes without saying is that all of these products lead towards not only excellence in dentistry, but they have a great preventive line of products too. And we can't let that go by the wayside because prevention is key in everything that we do. And so
It's funny you say that because saliva testing is one of the things I talk about in my comprehensive diagnosis course. I know you talk about it a lot. So yeah, I'm glad you mentioned that too.
Yep, so all around, great products.
Thanks guys, great
you.
seeing you.